Buy this, guys. And madali na, hindi na ano eh. Hindi na pahirap ang bumili ng mga shirt ngayon kasi marami ng mga online. They can deliver it right doon sa mga ano nyo, bahay.
Napaka-convenient.
Oo, hindi na mahirap.
Third quarter officially underway. Jimboy Estrada gets his pass intercepted. Basang-basa siya doon ni Tony Inon.
Talagang binabother na si Estrada dito sa bowling natin. Ito na, still ni Maano.
So good pressure by Montecillo to force Cometa to mishandle that basketball. Abellanar. Estrada. Estrada to Abellanar. Abellanar for three.
Ayun naman.
Second triple of the game for Pau Abellanar.
Kanina pa niya sinusubukan yung tres na yan.
And Letran badly needs him to stay consistent with regards to that outside shot.
Oh, para hindi sila masyadong mag-rely dito kay Jimboy.
Inon. Inon, shuffle pass. Iwan.
Uy! Sayang. Na ano na, nang hinayang si Alin Liwag. Doon, ang ganda naman kasi nung ano nila, eto yung 3 points ni Pau Abellanar. Yun na naman. Simple ball screen on the simple hammer screen on that one. It's Jimboy who's involved. Mapapaisip ka ngayon kung dodobolin mo, help ka lang. That's the case na maiiwan mo ngayon yung big man sa ibabaw. And the bigs na makakuha doon, kailangan maganda ang percentage mo para medyo mag-isip naman ngayon yung defender na single ano lang natin, help lang ng konti. Huwag na tayo masyadong magtuon ng pansin kay Jimboy.
Samantala, mintes yung pangalawang free throw ni Allen Liwag, actually missing both. So Benil's point total remains at 41.
They were denying the ball entry dito kay Estrada.
Oh, what a block by Sanchez, denying Montecillo. Inon all the way.
Good decision para dito kay Jimboy Estrada. Hindi na siya doon nag-attempt na supalpalin pa itong si Inon. Baka mamaya mag-commit siya ng fourth foul niya eh.
Estrada. Wow. Inside pass. Abellanar, extra pass. Estrada.
Oy!
Niluwa.
Nakuha ulit nila yung bola. Ito si Di Maano.
Panibagong pagkakataon. Pull up by Estrada. Off the glass and in. Jimboy Estrada.
Paborito eh. Ilang beses niyang ginawa yan sa Mabuhay. Yung boarding na yan. Alam mo yung hesitation na alam mo ang atake tapos biglang ipo-pull up. Eto, Sanko. Ayun!
Nabuhay. Si Mark Sanko.
And speaking of a...
We will have a review.
Oh, may review. And speaking of good percentage para dito sa mga bigs. Si Sanko meron nun eh. May magandang percentage siya sa tira sa labas eh. And merong nire-review doon and ang victim na naman is si Pau Abellanar. medyo surprising to na si Pau yung victim niya. Usually si Pau ang subject, ang suspect eh.
So titira si Mark Sanko. Sa likod ng ulo nakahawak si Pau eh.
Uy. Ano lang, konting diin. Hindi naman yung talagang a regular foul maybe. But hindi pang hindi pang unsportsmanlike. Pero it really depends kasi it's above the shoulder eh. Could be a regular foul. Talagang pinagdidiskusyonan ng ating mga referee itong insidente na to.
The thing is, parang ang nangyari, pinatong ni Liwag yung braso. Hindi naman swing. Walang forward swing. Pinatong lang. Ang problema, matangkad kasi si Allen at naka-bend yung tuhod ni Pau.
Oh! They upgraded it into a unsportsmanlike foul criteria 1.
Unsportsmanlike foul on number 34, Allen Liwag, criteria 1 for contact with an opponent
That's
and not
his
legitimately
third foul din
attempting
para dito
to
kay Allen
directly
Liwag
play the
sa
ball.
ball game natin.
2
Pareha
free
sila ni
throws
Jimboy.
for Pau Havilanar.
Merong mga 3 fouls.
Havilanar good on the first. Now, Allen Liwag has to be careful
Oo.
because another unsportsmanlike or a technical, he will be ejected and disqualify him for individual awards.
Oo, isa pa yun. Oo,
Sa pinapakita
tama.
niya, he's
He's
one of the
Ball
favorites for
possession
MVP.
stays with
Actually,
the
nasa taas
Veteran
siya.
Knights.
He's on the top,
14
averaging
seconds on the shot clock.
double every ball game. At 11.5 points and 14 rebounds. He's the number 1 rebounding guy both on pati sa offensive rebounds.
Estrada, 5 on the shot clock. Dimaano for 3. Short rebound. Inot, punta muna natin si Alia Fedeliaga.
Grit. That is what Coach Alan Ricardo wants to instill within the Letra Knights. He wants to see passion and perseverance from the squad despite the challenges. Gusto din niya makita ng mga tao ang Letran signature. Never give up, never give in attitude. After only scoring 5 points in the last 5 minutes of the first half, ang bilin ng coaching staff ay to stay focused from offense to defense and grab offensive rebounds. The Letra Knights are hungry for a win, so let's see if their adjustments together with their grit can help them snatch this victory. Back to you, Anton and Bo.
Jimboy Estrada, binangga ng 2 beses, so that's a foul on the Benildians.
Pushing foul on number 20, Justin Sanchez. His first.
Never give up,
Two
never
on
give
the
in.
Blazers.
Yun yung nakasulat sa mga practice jerseys ng mga Letranista.
Usually sa likod at the back of their jerseys. Yun naman ever since. That's their kumbaga parang motto na nila yun eh. Starting with Coach Louie, whoever takes over on the coaching job para dito sa mga taga-Letran. Baka nga yung mga alumni ganyan din eh.
Ready to check in, Kevin Santos. And Bo, gusto ko rin mangyari na pagsabay si Pau tsaka si Kevin.
Yun nga ang ko. Na pag ito pinagsabay mo si Kevin tsaka si Pau, talagang yung literal na Twin Towers sa NCAA.
Rebound, Montesilio.
Ang kulang lang dito sa tingin ko kay Montesilio is court awareness. Yes, like for example, he already got the rebound there. Somebody's leaking out. Kailangan mo lang ibigay eh. Pero I don't know, if that's their system, settle down. Eto, si Abilionar ulit.
Halfway down. Liwag with another rebound.
That's his 10th, I think. That's his 10th rebound.
Tony Inot.
Oy! Gusto niya lang i-clear yung way ni Tony Inot pero napasobra itong si Justin Sanchez.
Offensive foul on number 20, Justin
Yan,
Sanchez.
sinasabihan siya ni Tony.
Oo, tumayo ka na lang. Kayang-kaya ko na yun.
Timeout, Letran Knights.
Timeout muna tayo. Coach
Kevin
Alan
Santos
Liwag wants to
coming in
talk
for
things
Pau
over.
Havilanar.
Coach Charles Tew's team is on top by 3. So from the cutie cam, the tropa cam, we now have the smile cam. And we have the ladies flashing their smiles on this Sunday afternoon.
And yan din yung mga iniintay nitong mga crowd natin. Eh. Yung mapakita sila on TV. Eh. Diba? And whatever na makita ka sa TV, eh, masaya na sila.
Kobe Monhe coming in for Charles Dimano.
Kobe Monhe. in the game para dito sa Letran. Santos is also in. Montecillo, Guajao, and Estrada. Estrada, oh.
Was asking for a review on that one. Pero hindi binigay ni Coach Allen. Same ball para dito sa Ops.
Jimboy Estrada sa ngayon, 11 points.
Ayun, ibinigay.
3 rebounds. Oh.
Ibinigay dito sa mga taga-Letran ang bola.
There
They
is
challenge
a
it.
head coach challenge.
The
by
CSB
the
challenge.
Trailblazers
The CSB challenge.
on the last out of bounds play.
So ito yung china-challenge ng kumuna ni Coach Charles, the last out of bounds play. Mahirap nga i-decide kung sino ba.
Mahirap.
Si Jimboy ba o si Justin?
Medyo on that replay, medyo si Justin. Kaya naman challenge si Coach Charles. Ayun.
By review, head coach challenge
Galit na galit si Coach Charles.
Blazers successful. Ball possession for the Manila
Sinasabi
Blazers.
ni Coach Charles, hindi mo naman nakita.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Inililipat. Same ball tayo ngayon para sa mga taga-nakaputi.
I'm confused why Coach Charles is complaining. Bola nila.
Ang inaano niya parang, ba't mo iniiba? Hindi mo naman nakita totally.
Yun.
Diba? Yun ang ano niya.
Sanchez.
So, palpal.
Santos. Oh! Naagaw ni Inot.
Ay, iniwan. Malakas.
And now, si Coach Allen naman.
Si Coach Allen
challenge.
There is a head coach challenge.
Pawian ng challenge tayo.
By the Letran Knights
That's
on
how
the
important
last
the possession
out of bounds
is.
play.
Di ba? They were just down by 3. Malay mo, mapunta sa kanila. You convert. O di, ano na tayo ulit? Kaya naman, china-challenge ito.
Okay, panoorin natin dito. Sobra yung tira ni Tony Inot.
Nandito kasi sa harap si Coach Al. Kaya kita niya pinareview niya nasa harap siya Ayun naman.
By review, head coach challenge of the Letran Knights.
Kasi pag tinignan mo, parang si Justin Sanchez ang nakatapik palabas. So, kaya ibinigay ng ating mga referee sa mga Letranista.
Yan. Napapunas tuloy si Coach Allen sa salamin niya.
Oo.
Pinunas niya yung lens ng salamin niya.
Masyadong mainit yung dalawang coaches natin
3-point lead for Benil. Ball na kay Jimboy Estrada.
He's asking for a screen.
Estrada.
Malakas.
Rebound Liwag.
I think that's his 11th rebound para dito kay Allen Liwag. He had 9 points, 11 rebounds, and 4 assists para dito kay Liwag.
On the way to another double-double. Ooh!
Ganda. Ganda nung dish na yun. Lagpas lang yung under goal shot ni Sanko.
Estrada. Santos. Montecillo. Montecillo will pull up.
Oh!
Montecillo, 3!
And we are tied 46 all. What a shot by Nat Montecillo. Sanchez posting up Estrada. And that's traveling on Sanchez.
Good stand para dito kay...
Ian Torres.
Talagang sina-challenge itong... Ito yung 3 points ni Montecillo. On one end, sina-challenge itong Benil na mag-commit itong si Estrada ng 4th foul niya. Dahil alam nila kung gaano ka-importante si Jimboy dito sa mga taga-Letran. Pinostehan ni Sanchez doon sa baseline itong si Jimboy.
Montecillo. Monje, aatake. Monje faking the handoff. 6 on the shot clock. Montecillo has to shoot. Monje.
Ang tagal niya ma-recognize na libre-libre na si Monje doon sa Papa.
Antonio Samuel coming in for
Yun yung
Marcelo.
kailangan ma-develop itong ni Montecillo eh. He's doing well on the ball screens, on the recognition of the man.
CJ Delfino.
Yun ang kailangan niyang
And Mau
ma-improve ba.
coming in for the Knights.
Si Coach Allen, naglakad siya sa dulo ng bench. Dalawa yung pagpipilian niya. Ang tagal eh.
Nag-iisip siya eh.
Nag-iisip, tapos biglang tinapik niya si CJ Delfino.
Oo. Maganda sana ang ano nito ni Montecillo eh. Alam niya, recognition. Kung sino yung libre. Libre na si Monje.
Liwag against Habilanar. Liwag.
Oh!
Allen Liwag.
Double-double.
Inunti-unti lang ni Alin Liwag itong si Pau Habilunar. Alam nila na he will go to the middle eh.
CJ. What a pass. Short.
Short.
Rebound, Liwag. (48-46). Oh, Torres for 3. And Sanchez snatches the ball away from Estrada.
Eto, they go to Liwag at the post. Talagang na-challenge itong si...
Number 9,
Eto.
Mau Albidanar. Is their personal.
Alam nilang papunta sa gitna eh.
Timeout,
Ina-anticipate ni
Blazers.
Pau, pero yun nga. Nagagawa ng paraan ito ni Alin Liwag.
Coach Charles Tew calls a timeout. Benilde is on top 48-46.
Aguimeñi from the corner. Nope. Inot. Feeding. Top meta for the finish.
Forcing another turnover and a transition layup. Highlight yun ha, hindi na binaba. Dampot, angat agad.
And another takeaway. Inot. Full header seam. And Benilde has fully come back in this one. First deadlock of the game at
2 minutes and 26 seconds remaining in the third, and I spy a former NCAA champion, Mitch Gamit of the Benilde Blazers volleyball team. Habilanar remains in the game.
He has 13 points and 3 rebounds in this ball game. Kaya lang, kailangan niyang medyo i-involve yung mga kasama niya.
Now I want to ask you, Bo, how would you defend Allen Liwag if you're Benilde?
Hindi, siguro ano lang, try to contain him. Hindi mo naman mai-stop total yan eh. Alam mo yun, yung parang if his efficiency is like mga 70 to 80%
About review, it
sa
was
post,
and
make it like
sportsmanlike
50,
foul.
40%
Criteria
favor
1
percentage. And then you
on
you
number
do that.
9,
Hindi mo
Mau
masisira yung
Habilanar
ganyang klase ng player.
for contact with an opponent and not legitimately attempting to directly play the ball.
Ayun lang. May i-review itong ating mga
Allen
referee.
Liwag, West ball possession for the Benil Blazers.
So tinawagan ng technical si Avilanar for his reaction and the things that he was saying after he got called for that foul.
He need to, to calm himself down. Kasi maayos naman nilalaro niya eh. Medyo talagang challenging lang to defend. Liwag.
Benil Blazers retains ball possession.
And yun naman yung kailangan mo eh. If you really want to be a contender in the NCAA, you need to go through like the sample of Liwag, sila Capulo, di ba? Yun yung mga kailangan masurpasan mo. Ito na naman.
Sanchez, offensive rebound para sa Benil. Kahukos,
Malakas.
too strong.
Malakas.
Sanchez, Torres,
Oy!
masyado mataas para kay Liwag.
Good intention, kaya lang hindi si Yao Ming si Liwag eh. Napataas yung pasa ni Torres.
6'6" si Liwag pero masyadong mataas pa rin yung pasa.
Oo.
2 minutes.
Kung mga 7-footer yun, kaya.
Baka kahit si Umpad ng EAC di masasalo yun.
Oh. Sobrang taas talaga. Mahaba na si Liwag, lagpas pa sa kanya. Ito, Torres.
Torres, Eusebio, Sanchez. Back to Eusebio for 3.
Wala.
Si Sanchez talaga masipag sa
Oo.
offensive rebounding.
Alam niya kung saan babagsak yung bola eh. Worst case naman dito sa mga nasa Letran. Alam na nila na ganun ang reputasyon nito ni Sanchez. Eh, hindi pa nila binabox out. Inahayaan lang nila. Alam mo yung mag-roam around lang sa court. At talagang pagka ganyan makahaba, tapos alam mo kung saan yung bagsak ng bola. 70-80% chances offensive rebound. Ayun naman.
Wow! Ian Torres with a crafty move to the basket. Delfino. Delfino to Monje. Monje against Eusebio. And Eusebio,
Nasundutan doon. Uy!
Benil completes the stop. Sanchez, Kahukom!
From Justin Sanchez.
It's now a 7-point lead for the Blazers.
Kanina, tabla lang to.
Estrada. Estrada, pull up.
Wala.
Torres
Ito
na naman.
ang Benil.
Kahukom.
Uy, ganda!
Wow! Josh Kahukom with a sidestep.
Ganda naman yun.
Biggest lead of the game for Benilde.
Simula kanina, tinatry talaga niya. Tinatry niyang buhatin yung team. Pero ngayon pa lang siya nakakakuha ng break.
Tagle missing. Guadagna. Oh, fakes the three. Mac Guadagna. And the LPU fans are coming alive as the Pirates are making a run here in the second period. Ian Torres making it look easy. Ito naman si Josh Kahukom, last 4 baskets or 4 points para sa Benilde nang galing sa kanya.
Ito yung napakagandang sidestep ni Kahukom. Napasuntok na lang si Coach Charles.
Matthew Ole coming in for the Blazers.
Tsaka kumpiyansa rin si Kahukom kasi si Jimboy yung magcha-challenge sa kanya eh.
Oo. Ayaw mag-commit ni Jimboy ng fourth foul niya. And he just waited for Jimboy to jump before he make his side step. Kasi kung on a one-on-one basis lang, masusupal pa siya ni Jimboy.
Jace Miller. Limited minutes para kay Miller today. Estrada. Jace for 3.
Short.
Ball.
Ay.
Ang laki ng challenge eh.
Oo. Pinabol siya doon ni Eusebio.
Malaki na nga, ang taas pa tumalon.
Oo, isa pa yun. And hindi siya yung basta-basta mo nalang maiiwan eh. He was being on a one-on-one with Jimboy Estrada ilang beses. Pero hindi siya maiwan-iwan Jimboy. Ito yung full court na Letran. Lagpas.
Galoy with the steal.
Malayo pa.
Wow. Just a mental error by Letran.
Hindi niya alam kung ilang second pa para itira.
Miller.
Ulit.
Counter steal. Almost.
3 possessions in 8 seconds.
It's 55 to 46 for the Benil.
So the Benil Blazers will enter the fourth quarter with a 9-point advantage. They outscored Letran in the third quarter 14 to 11.
Together, we own the future.